Hello all. In today's video, we'll try to solve the LeetCode daily problem number 2554. So this problem says maximum number of integers to choose from a range. The things that are given in the problem is the chosen integers. The chosen integers have to be in the range 1 is to n. The objective of this is return the maximum number of integers you can choose from the mentioned rules. Things given are value of n. Each integer has to be chosen at most once, and the chosen integers should not be in the array band. That means we'll have an array, we should not choose an integer from that array, and the sum of chosen integers should not exceed the max sum. Now, let us see how we'll try to do it. But before that, we need to first understand the objective very clearly. So, if you see the example, we have the band integers array, we have n, and we have maximum sum. The band integer array is 1 comma 6 comma 5. My n is 5, so the range is 1 comma 5, and my maximum sum is 6. Right? As you can see on my whiteboard, I have written everything. Now let me start explaining it to you. So my range is 1 comma 5. By 1 comma 5, I mean I can choose any integer between 1 2 3 4 5. My band array is 1 comma 6 comma 5, and my maximum sum is 6. Now I'll choose a number from 1 comma 5, and I'll sum it, and I'll try to make it less than equal to 6. My objective. Now let me take 1. 1 I cannot take because that is in the band list. Now I'll take 2. I'll take 2. 2 I can take. Now I'll keep a track of my sum. My sum will become 2 when I take 2. Now let me take 3. Let me take 3. I can take 3 because it is not in band array. Now my sum becomes 5. 4. Now if I take 4, even though it is not in band array, my sum becomes 9, which is not less than equal to 6. So I'll leave 4, I'll break it there, and I got only 2 integers which give me the required output, which are 2 and 3. My objective is to return the count of such integers. So my answer is 2, and I'll return 2. Right? Now this approach that we used, this is known as a greedy approach. This is known as a greedy approach. Now, why does this greedy approach works? The greedy approach works because of one thing, that is I have been asked the maximum number of integers to choose, and they should be less than some. Because of this, my greedy approach works, and I'll choose the values in ascending order. Now, since I am being asked maximum number of integers, I'll try to choose it in ascending order. Right? Because if you see, let me take example as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and my sum is 10. If I go in ascending order, I'll take 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Given that there is no band array, right, I'll get 4 integers which are 10. If I go from descending order, I get 8 plus 2, which is 10. But that is not my solution, because that is only 2 integers, but ascending order gave me 4 integers. I hope the approach and all is clear. Let us start coding. Now Now let me run my test cases. Yeah, the test cases worked. Let me now run my submit this. Yeah, it also submitted very well. So I hope this was clear to you. And if you felt like this video helped you, do like, share, and subscribe. And also share it in your coders group, as we say. Thank you. Have a great day.